Alright, here begins my video review of the GRIZZLY G0690 5X1 Extreme Series saw. 5 horsepower, 12-inch blade. But I thought I'd just demonstrate by cutting a big piece of black locust. 3 3/4 or so inches thick. Maximum cut for the saw. So I'm going to start the saw and let it speed up and raise it to its maximum height and push it through. Let me see what you think. That piece, who knows, it might make it happen. But of course that's using a Freud commercial fast rip blade, and it says you can glue it, and absolutely you can. I think you probably heard that 5 horsepower motor, that 12-inch blade did not slow down. I'm extremely pleased with the saw. Great saw. Been real happy with it. Recommend it.